everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to label columns numerically in Excel. So by default, Excel is labeled in this reference style, A1 reference style, which means all the columns are labeled alphabetically while the rows are labeled numerically. So if I can tell you more about this, A1, A stands for columns, okay, and 1 stands for rows. So if you were to name this cell, it's cell A1, even as you can see from the name box. A is a column and 1 is row. If we can name another cell like this one, it's named cell D, cell D4. D for column and 4 for rows, for a row. So I want to show you how we can shift this to R1C1 reference type, which means now all our columns will also be labeled numerically, just like the rows. So what you need to do is go to the file icon, then go to options, then go to formulas, and then under working with formulas you will see this icon R1C1 reference type. So by default it's normally unchecked because the default reference style is A1 reference style. So you want to check it, you check it and then go click OK so that we can change. So you notice the change. Our columns right now are also labeled numerically, just like the rows. So R1C1, if I can click this cell, it's labeled R1C1. It's in row 1 and in column 1. R standing for rows and C standing for columns. If I can name another cell like this one, it's R4, right? C5. It's in row 4 and in column 5. So that's it about our today's tutorial. It was more of a tip. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.